Hello and welcome to day 22 of the Taskmaster Advent Calendar. I'm Dr. Gareth Moore.
And I'm Laura Jane
We're puzzle and brain training authors, but we are just solving puzzles here. And hopefully day 22...
with alacrity, and we are having
good
fun.
Word,
yeah.
under the cat.
I'll try and get it in as much as possible.
So we've got more of this than we've seen before.
Yes, we've got a map,
and a
haven't we?
task for today, which
Lovely.
says... dig for treasure. X marks the spot. You have until tomorrow. Your time starts now. And then there's just, I think, probably an entrance to a house inside the door.
The Taskmaster house. However, should we tear off all those little maps?
We've seen 4 of these maps now.
At least.
There's one.
Yeah.
Where are the others?
I just want to orientate them.
I don't remember exactly where they all were.
Inside some doors.
They were on the backs of some of the doors. Here's one here. And it gives this has an easel on it. There is an easel actually on the painting.
I think it will, orientate
So I presume
everything.
it will orient them. Here's one. How many have we got now?
Got one here as well.
That's all 4 of them.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Let's have a look over here.
Ah, so there's a little egg on here, and there was an egg on the roof over here, and then the peas are over there. This is good. And then there's whatever this is, which is a coconut, which you can actually see.
So we've got a map there with... And this is the easel, right?
An easel.
Is this the way around they are on the calendar?
Yeah, so there's an easel here on the calendar. There's an egg here. There's the egg here. There's the peas here. There's the peas here. And there's this little coconut here.
All right, so by here there's an X, right? But it's
Yeah.
between the easel and the coconut. And on the calendar, the easel is here and the coconut is here. You'd expect it here.
There is an X. There's an X there.
Where?
Very close.
Oh, there's an X on there. Do you think we're opening here? Or do you think we're looking for this thing somewhere else?
No, because there's loads of those, aren't there?
Do we look under here,
Should
do
we
you
have a
think?
look under... Yes!
Oh my goodness.
Weather vane, it
Weather vane.
says.
How fun is that?
Yay!
And there is a weather vane on the calendar.
Yes, there is.
Here, just above.
Yay!
I love it when you destroy things like that. Day 23, that's
Hooray.
day 22 sold.
Hooray.
I hope you'll join us tomorrow and we shall try day 23.
See you
But
there.
until then, take care. Bye-bye.
Bye.